Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Gordon Wells over here in the desert, having a little bit of sand fun. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we just got to the desert. This is my new sandrail. Not new, but new to me. It was passed down from my friend's uncle to him, and then he sold it to me. It is, I don't know exactly the motor size. Could be anywhere from 1800 to 2200. Volkswagen air-cooled motor with a turbocharger. It's so much fun. This thing has plenty of power for me.
The next day.
Good morning guys, welcome to the vlog. We are here. I'm here with my beautiful girl, Alexis. And we are here at the desert. We're having a lot of fun. We got here last night and there was a lot of commotion right away. So I really didn't get anything in the vlog and that, just a couple clips. Right away, we unloaded the freaking car. I didn't even like unload the quad for my daughter to mess around with. We went on a ride right when I got here, which was probably not the best thing because you know, this is the first time me driving, you know, the sandrail out here, and we ended up having a little bit of an issue. You know, I just got this thing. I really haven't had any seat time on it because you know, it has paddles. Let's take a look at this thing. So this is her, guys. Woo! 2200cc turbocharged Volkswagen. It's got the Fox shocks on there. It's a 5-seater. Fox shocks all the way around. It has paddles. This is a very simple style sandrail, but there's a lot of potential to work with on here. Like if we could go with like a long travel suspension front and rear, and that would completely transform this thing. We're gonna get some riding today shortly. We're gonna eat some breakfast right now, and we're gonna mob out with the crew. Huele a pescado.
Hey, let me do my hair.
Fucking sexy ass Dan over here. Sexy ass Dan. What you making, man?
Huevo con chorizo, güey.
¿Huevo con chorizo? Pues aquí tengo el pinche chorizo y unos 2 huevos, güey. Quiero una. ¿Eh? Yeah. right, guys. So we just had our second run yesterday. We had a little bit of issues with some wiring, but the homie Spicy got figured out. Luckily, this car has been in his family for a while, so he was able to kind of pinpoint the issue. Today, I got a second run in, and I actually drove really great. It was freaking so much fun, but there was like oil everywhere. Now, Volkswagens are notorious for leaking everywhere, but I think maybe I just topped off the oil too much.
Where's your helmet?
My helmet's stopped, man.
Where's your helmet?
It's over there. It's in Daddy's car.
Now we know we're ordering Central.
La carnita asada.
La carnita asada. ¿Se va a hacer o no se va a hacer? La carnita
All right, man. This is really living the life right here. Good food, good friends. Freddie, what's up, guys? Taco always doing work, man. That's why I haven't really modified it too much, man. Cause it's just like a workhorse, this thing, man. To always get in and go, never any issues. That's why I got a Taco, man. And the good old trusty camper. Toyota gang over here. Girls ready to go? What is that? Apple? All right, guys, so we've had an amazing time here at the desert. It's been nothing but fun with some of my best friends, my whole family, and it's just a good time out here in the desert. You know, great food, good times. This was my first time taking my Sanrio out to the desert, and we had a great time with it. On the next vlog, we're gonna tell you a couple cars that have left the fleet. We got a new car in the fleet. And we got one other that I haven't told you guys about. 2 have gone, 2 new. This is one of them. You're gonna see the next one in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was kind of a short one, but it was just a little something to get you guys back in the channel. You know, I know I've kind of been lagging it, but you know, after seeing my man, we were just so done. We have so much work at the shop right now that just had to really concentrate on that. Didn't really have a lot of time to edit, but just tell you that this is me coming back. Let's get into some new bigger and better things this year. I'm very excited. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button, because we're gonna have at least 3 or 4 new build series right off the bat. And give us a follow on IG. That's where I pretty much post all the day-to-day stuff, so you can kind of be in tune with what's going on. So thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.